I'm gonna need like a torch or something to light for night, so I get some light so monsters won't spawn. I never played this, well actually yeah I have. I have some other worlds. I don't know why I said that. I'm just fresh. So I think I'll make my first house over here. I didn't get my dirt. I need my dirt. So clutch up. So I can start clutching. Alright, let's keep it going so I can get a tree. Where's trees at? I need a tree. Tree! 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 Oh no. I see the darkness coming. Or it might just be where it's so much snow. Okay. Can I make a stick? I need to make a stick. How do I make a stick? Yes, stick. I need a stick. Thank you. Thank you. Keep our stick here. Good, now I have a stick. I can make this. Yes. Get all these. All of these. Oh yeah. I think I'm doing good. Guys, am I doing good? Comment down below. This is my first time ever doing like this. So all my stuff in here. Now I'm gonna start getting some like dirt and stuff to build a house. Right? Because there ain't enough trees in here. And yeah, just start getting some things. Usually I would do this for Walker, but I skipped school today. I'm gonna go to school though. I don't know why I did. My mom's phone was dead and she didn't wake up. Ooh, there's dirt. There's dirt. Can we get more dirt? Sorry, I've been really quiet. I'm just trying to focus. I don't know why I'm using this. Did they have to use my hand to be same fast? Okay, so I should get 9 pieces. Yep. See some speed. Okay, well, let's really get this house finished because it's getting a little bit dark. Well, it's getting darker. It's not dark yet. Just I need a torch. I don't know how to get that one piece of coal. Put this door down. Alright, let's go try and get that piece of coal. Okay. It's over this hill, which I hate. How did I get over this? I ain't gonna have time. I just gotta hope my house is dead. Really? Close the door? Nope. Just soap. That's all I got. Oh, no, I'm not done. Just wait until daytime. Why I need to make anything because I'm kind of scared. I need to make something. I can make sticks. I can make a letter. Really, I don't want a letter. I want this. I need a piece of gold. Whenever light comes, I will go out. For right now, I'm just gonna get this pressure plate number 1. So I can open it and close it immediately. There's my pressure plate. I made a pressure plate bumping this thing around. I already got one thing lost. I ain't losing another. Okay, so now we just have to wait. Open. This way. Where's my house at? I thought I knew where it was. No, there's trees this way. It was the other way though. Because there wasn't. Don't look into its eyes, that's all I know. Oh, I'm dead. I'm so dead. It's gonna kill me. Yep, I see my dirt house. I'm not ready for that, Stray. Stray, come on out. Stray, come on out. Stray, come on out. I think that's the exact same Stray. So I might have to go into my house. It's coming closer. Close. Close! No, no. Dang it! At least I know which way it is. Just gotta look for the pumpkins. I don't think I spawned in the same spot. Yeah, I did. Okay, so if there's pumpkins that way. No, Stray, please. Please, no. Please, no. My house is over here, then. Gotta watch out for that Stray, though. It scares me. Because it kills me too much. Feel like it's camping my house. Stray is. Each what? Oh, that's because it has my sword. Wait for the day to come. Keep getting killed. It's this way. Yep. See my dirt house. That might be what I have to live in. Because of that stupid Stray. Yes, come on out. Come on out. Yes, it is out. I'm gonna let it chase over here. Okay, Strays are fast. Can I just juke them? There's my door. There's my door. It's literally just right there. daytime so they can die. Yep. Here it goes. You're gonna burn soon. Now he's gonna hide in here. I'm scared. Boy, I'm so scared. So scared I'm gonna get this out. I'm gonna block up that door just because of that stray. No, open before something spawns in here. I think daylight is game. Yes! It is game. Daylight has come. I'm just glitching inside this. Ow! Ow! Zombie! Zombie, no! No! Baby zombie! Baby zombie, no! Baby zombie, burn! 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 Burn to death! Burn to death! Burn to death! Burn to death! Burn! Yes! Okay. Good girl. Arrows! Now I have a bow and arrow I can use. I'm not sure I'm ready to go. Get that piece. No, I'm not sure. Am I going to? Yeah. 'Cause I need it. Badly. That one piece of coal I will get. Sheesh. That's not the way I want to go. I need to get a piece of coal.